You definitely want to watch the full video for this. I'm HJ. Please like and subscribe. Today we'll be featuring work from All Shoes Matter. He does custom Jordan heel tabs. Any questions you have, you can go ahead, drop a comment down below and he can let you know, or you can always contact him directly. All of his information is in the description. Everything that he is doing here is proprietary. He's not going to tell me all the deep, dark secrets of how he makes these custom heel tabs. This is my guess for what he's doing, and it may or may not be accurate. I believe he's using a 3D printer to make the design. He then uses some type of silicone mold to make the mold, and then he uses whatever material it is to make this epic heel tab so that it is a appropriate level of flexibility and durability. I could be totally wrong, but I guess we'll never know. So this is a Jordan 3 heel tab. He also does a Jordan 4 heel tab, and I think he can do pretty much any type of replacement or customization that you would need. But wait, it gets better. Watch this. It glows in the dark. How epic is that? And let me know what you guys think. Do you think that Jordan 3s are better, or do you think that Jordan 4s are better? Which one do you guys honestly prefer? Which one do you have more pairs of? Jordan 3s or Jordan 4s? Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching. Check out All Shoes Matter. Check out Derry and his Instagram. All of the information is linked below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Also, go ahead, drop a comment on what you'd like to see next. And as always, happy creating.